Miss Mucus, why are boys so weird? Yeah.
And gross, too.
Come on, guys. He's just a harmless little snaky, isn't he? He's my buddy.
Well, if you have lost your appetite, I know a simple solution. All done!
Good morning, campers. You've gone mad. Well, bottoms up. Tangy, yet robust. Have you ever burped underwater before? No. Well, watch this. I've got a big one coming.
Hey, Kahuna, is that big one big enough?
Out of the way, kid.
This doesn't seem very handy or helpful to me.
More, give me more.
Oh, Scoutmaster Lumpus.
Clam loves them.
Clam?
That's Dad.
Clam ladies sing this song. Clam race like 5 miles long. Born to run all night. Born to run all day.
Money up till day.
Somebody bet on the...
You did it!
That's nothing. Watch this.
Yeah! Go, go, go.
Laszlo, what are you doing?
Edward's teaching me how to burp.
Cool. Soda is for losers.
I think we lost him.
I don't care.
Okay, see you tonight.
Clam ladies sing this song. Clam race like 5 miles long. Born to run all night. Born to run all day.
Money up till day.
Somebody bet on the...
I never thought I'd say this, but I'm so proud of you. Hey, you burped!
Huh. I guess I'm not a robot. Edward?
Good work, sir.
So, did you like it?
Oh, yes, me like it. Ooh, but he sure is.
That's the elusive Larda Doodlebird. Yeah!
Yeah, I'm gonna eat that bird if it's the last.
I demand you get Lumpus and me free?
I think I will call you Ellie Bug.
Looks like our pal no longer hates bugs.
Love Bug.
But I made you some brownies. It's just my way of saying sorry.
Now leave your scoutmaster alone.
I made name tags for all the campers nobody cares about.
Thanks, Scooter!
I filled the lake with cream soda.
Thank you, Scooter.
Were there dinosaurs where you came from?
Does that answer your question?
Bowl off of meat.
Check, please.
Bye. Nice knowing ya.
Beautiful pot pie.
Oh, she blows.
Nurses, sit with everybody else.
I just figured out where to get all the food I need. I found them. Now I'm eating them. Burp. Nummy.
Come along, Samson.
Check me out, guys. She said I was special.